What's up guys, it's Sean from Springrates and we're back with a YouTube video because we have a really cool event going on today. The Gumball 3000 is stopping here in Austin, so we're gonna be there for that. But first, we're gonna head to COTA, we're gonna link up with the Exotics Network, which is a local group of exotic car owners, and then we're gonna head downtown and wait for their arrival. All right guys, we made it. Check this out. We got Mr. Richard Rawlings, your gas monkey.
Here we are.
Look what he brought out. Look what he brought out, guys. Have you seen this build? Tell us, how'd you come up with this idea to do this build?
Well, I bought 5 Ferrari Testarossas that were used in a movie. Everything from like the perfect hero car to the most wrecked of the 5 cars. And we built one electric, sold a nice one, and we decided to turn this one into a 6-wheel General Motors powered monster that's pushing about 1,400 horsepower. All the rear wheels are tied together, so we can do a full-wheel burnout back here, and it's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, man, that's crazy. So I joined the Exotics Network, which is a local exotic car group here in Austin, and now they actually have other branches throughout the country as well. So I joined that car group basically to be a part of this event and to start trying to get out more to other events. But they had a really cool collaboration with Gumball 3000 for their stop in Austin. So we went to COTA. We obviously ran into Richard Rawlings, who we knew was coming and bringing the 6x6 Ferrari Testarossa. All right, guys, we're officially out of COTA. We have a police escort right now. We're about 10 cars back from the front, right behind a gorgeous Revuelto. And I got a 488 behind me, I think it is. And man, what a cool variety of cars. Can't wait for you guys to see all these. We basically did this police escort all the way downtown. So what we did was we staged in this parking lot, and then every 60 seconds they would have one of our cars go down and get that full experience of basically driving down like the Gumballers do. So they have the barriers, they have thousands of fans lined up, you know, kids just freaking out over the cars, as you can imagine. Everyone's yelling to rev it. And it was just a really cool experience to kind of have this experience like the Gumballers do. All right guys, so a little surprise. The car is getting wrapped, my car, and then this Ferrari. They're getting wrapped to go on display. They're basically doing the whole Gumball livery, but it's going on display at the after party tonight out front, since the actual Gumball cars are tucked away in a secured parking lot. So pretty cool, we'll see how it looks when it's done. When that was done, I drove the car right away to Mayfair, which is where the after party was, and parked the car out front just as a display. And then from then we went inside, had a VIP table. It was pretty much packed with just all the Gumball people, anyone affiliated with the event, our local car group, and then some other fans. I mean, it was actually a public party. Anyone could get into this club, so it was really cool. And we had Afrojack play, of course, as you saw, who I've known for ages. I've seen him at Ultra many years, so that was really cool to see him play. So it's just really cool to be kind of a little part of this. It's now like on my vision board. I want to be in the Gumball one day. We sponsor NASCAR, we do some other things, but I feel like it's a great marketing opportunity for us to do that in the future. So it's definitely a goal of mine, is to partake in that. We'll see. It's pretty expensive, but we'll see what we can do. Maybe we can even pull in sponsors to help do that. But I think all in all, that would be a really cool experience. I met a lot of cool guys. I met, the founder of Gumball 3000, Max. I met the DDE guys, Damon and Dave. Michelle Rodriguez, Letty from Fast and Furious. Joshua Wiseman, who you've probably seen on YouTube. He's a really popular chef. So many people. It was really, really neat. Just a great way to network, and that was another reason why I wanted to get out there, was to network. So my goal is to do more of these videos. We got to get out there. I need to get out there more, get more face time, start being more active in the community. We're building this Huracan. We're going to try and document that. We have a really cool wrap coming for it. We basically have a few options. We're using one of the designers that DDE even uses sometimes. So we're gonna hopefully have a lot of content really soon around this Huracan, but the goal is to take that to events and get out there more. So hope you guys are looking forward to it. Hope you enjoyed this video, just kind of seeing how this unraveled. Again, super cool experience, and I look forward to having a lot more fun out there. So we'll see you guys soon.